Hello, this is Scott Lord's overview of Artifact 1. In this artifact, we will be going over Standard 1.1 ISTE Criterion 2, Set Professional Learning Goals. As a high school social studies teacher, I set two professional learning goals. The first one was to integrate technology into my classroom practices, specifically looking at assignments that normally would not have been technology-based, but to see how we could use technology in the classroom to enhance student learning and engagement. The second goal was to collaborate with coworkers and educators to research, design, and incorporate technology-based teaching practices in the classroom through the use of blogging. The first assignment that I did with my students was this travel brochure of classical civilizations of Greece and Rome, where students were given a template on Canva where they could look at different aspects of Roman daily life or Greek life. This is an example of what a student did to show the Roman daily life. They were able to use images, look up important facts that they used as part of their brochure. The other example was doing a slide deck on PowerPoint where students were able to use vocabulary words and terms where they normally would have just done an index card, but this time they were able to use it in a way that helped all types of learners to show that they understand what the vocabulary terms mean by using images to represent them as real-world examples, as well as other facts and important characteristics about that vocabulary term. This helps students to better learn and study and review for an upcoming exam, but also is used as a way for students to be more interactive, to collaborate with each other, and review for important exams. Booklet was also used as a way for students to be more interactive, as well as collaborate with each other and review for important exams, and do it in a more fun and interactive way. My second goal, I created a blog where I reviewed digital tools to use in the classroom, and in these blogs that were available to parents, students, other teachers, and other stakeholders, were able to give valuable feedback on these digital tools, what worked well, what would be most ideal for these digital tools, such as Padlet, Flip, and podcasting with Podbean. With Criterion 13, co-learn with students about a new digital tool I used with my AP U.S. History class. We came to the Civil Rights Movement and we had a mind map that we normally would have done on poster board, but this time we decided as a class to take on the challenge to try to use technology like Kaggle, where students were able to go online and I was able to go online with them, and we learned together how to use this tool as a class. We collaborated, looked at different examples of what we wanted it to look like. We learned together how to incorporate pictures, text boxes, and troubleshoot when problems came up. When a problem would arise, such as the branches going different directions or needing to delete branches that were accidentally created, or pictures that were placed in spots that we did not want them, we collaborated together as a group, we troubleshooted, diagnosed the problem, and looked up tutorials that other educators and teachers have done to help us to work through those issues. We wanted our branches for the Civil War movement to be different events, what came about during the Civil Rights Movement, as well as incorporating text boxes and what directions we wanted our branches to go in as well. As you can see, some of our strengths, students were able to organize their thoughts, their mind maps, made them more attractive, made them easy to follow, easy to understand with their descriptions, with the images that they used, as well as being able to fix any mistakes that came about. A major success that came from this was the opportunity that we had to collaborate to diagnose common issues, as mentioned before, and then come up with a troubleshoot of how to fix these problems so that students were able to enhance their learning experience through using technology on this assignment. This assignment helps students to more effectively understand how the events of the civil rights movement all link together and work together. This mind map helps students to increase and improve their test scores as well. Thank you.